Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install new Relic infrastructure agent on a VDS step by step clearly. To begin, log into your virtual dedicated server. Open the terminal or command line interface. Update your package manager to ensure all existing packages are up to date. For Ubuntu or Debian, use the command sudo apt-get update. For CentOS, use sudo yum update. Next, install the new Relic infrastructure agent using the appropriate command for your distribution. On Ubuntu or Debian, run curl https://download.newrelic.com/infrastructure_agent/binary/latest/ubuntu/ lsb_release/newrelic-infra_1.0.0-1_amd64.deb/newrelicinfra.deb. For CentOS, the command is curl https://download.newrelic.com/infrastructure_agent/binary/latest/centos/rpme%rel/newrelic-infra1.0.0-1. Install the downloaded package. On Ubuntu or Debian, use sudo dpkg inewrelicinfra.deb. For CentOS, execute sudo rpm ivh newrelicinfra.rpm. Once installation is complete, you need to configure the agent. Open the new Relic configuration file located at /etc/newrelicinfra.yml. Use a text editor like Vi or Nano for editing. Add your new Relic license key in the configuration file. You can find your license key in your new Relic account under Account Settings. Be sure to save your changes before exiting the editor. Now, start the new Relic infrastructure agent. Run the command sudo systemctl start newrelic infra. To enable the agent to start on boot, use sudo systemctl enable newrelic infra. Verify the agent is running by checking its status. Run the command sudo systemctl status newrelic infra. If everything is set up correctly, you should see the agent listed as active and running. To confirm that data is being sent to New Relic, log into your New Relic account. Navigate to the infrastructure section to view your server metrics. And that completes the installation process of the new Relic infrastructure agent on your VDS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.